Hey bird watchers, in this demo I'll show you how to connect Shopify and other systems to Plunet so you can manage localization projects with more flexibility and controls. We'll start in Shopify and create a new product. We have other event triggers for Shopify, but in this demo, the new product creation will kick things off in Blackbird. Our bird is well underway now, downloading the localizable content from Shopify, creating an order in Plunet, uploading the file, and pausing the workflow until we can get the next signal from Plunet. Here is the order that Blackbird created. We'll simulate a final delivery of our French content and change the order status. Our bird picks up on the event trigger, downloads the final French translation, and uploads it back to Shopify successfully. Back in Shopify, we can check out the French version right here. Now, we can take a closer look at what Blackbird did and talk about some options we can consider for our workflow. Our trigger event was the product creation, though as mentioned, we have other options to kick this workflow off from Shopify. When we download the content from Shopify, we have other configurations to choose from based on the content we need to translate. Since Plunet requires a file download path, I'm grabbing the file name with a utility to pass on later in the process. In our create order step, I'm passing on some dynamic metadata from Shopify to name the project. We have a lot of other configurations here and could use Blackbird utilities such as generate date to help fill in due dates or other project specifications. If we wanted to instead create a request and not an order, we could do that too. Or maybe a quote to start things off. We can even leverage order templates. Next, we can add languages and items. Using a Blackbird library, we can convert language codes from your systems to match the Plunet codes. And with loops, we can handle multi-language projects in the same bird. In this step, we're passing the file, an interoperable HTML file, to the source folder. You can add a subfolder too if needed. Our event is an order status change to completed, but you can use other statuses too if you want. Or instead, trigger when an item from the order is set to delivered. After we download the file, we send it back to Shopify, and that's it. You can get this baseline workflow using a blueprint, or connect to other content systems using a blueprint as well. Plunet is a vast system with a lot of options. So while a blueprint will give you a great start to a baseline integration, you can add in numerous other Plunet actions, trigger workflows, insert job triggers, and much, much more. Same thing with events. You can kick workflows off or pause them until something happens in Plunet, meaning you control the flow with your actions and not clicking more buttons in Blackbird. And there you have it, Shopify to Plunet and back again. We'll explore other Plunet use cases in future demos, so make sure to like and subscribe to get notified for future videos.